Hanap mo ba ay ready for occupancy condominium located at SM Mandurriao sa center ng lahat? We have Style Residences. Malapit siya sa Future and New School at lalakarin mo lang, nandyan na agad ang mall. Pwede kang mag-shopping, grocery, nandyan yung mga restaurants na mga paborito mong cuisine. Ready for occupancy na ito, kaya makaka-move in ka na with pre-furnishing package pa. Yes, you heard it right. May kasama na itong furnitures and appliances. Hassle-free, complete na. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. At may magandang 5-star amenities where you can enjoy with your family and friends. Meron tayong swimming pool. As you can see naman, ang lawak na swimming pool natin dito. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng Airbnb business, saktong-sakto ito. Kaya mong kumita ng 3K per night for the Flexi Suite and convertible pa into 2-bedroom unit. Kaya ang ganda talaga ng offer namin ngayon. Bukod sa walking distance na ito sa mall, lifetime ownership pa siya with resort-style amenities. G ka na ba? Kontakin mo na ako sa aking Viber or WhatsApp. At ito naman, makikita mo ang actual unit na in-offer namin dito sa Style Residences. This unit is Flexi Suite. Ito yung sinasabi ko na convertible into 2-bedroom unit. Livable at spacious. Para sa mga naghahanap ng personal use or rental potential, ito na yon. The monthly is only 20,000. Rent to own na siya with 5% down payment to move in. Perfect na perfect sa mga hanap ay business at pagkakakitaan. We can set a Zoom presentation para ma-explain ko sa inyo ang full details, or we can do an actual site. I have my team here in Iloilo with Sherry Ariston and Jenny. Just contact us. Thanks for watching and follow for more.